the noises of the street, the footsteps of my feet. Your name is deafening and surrounds me. You are in the wind among the leaves, like a whisper that gives me peace. I search for your face among the people. Only the memory of you remains. You, who are my constant thought, and in every moment I write the outline of your smile. And I swear that I searched for your face, always seeking your glorious gaze. On the billboards along every road, and the shop window right next door. But now you are miles far away. I'm left with nothing this day, just the smoke of a last inner heat, moving slowly among these streets. People